So I read a quote one time that says that AI isn't replacing humans. However, humans using AI are replacing humans. So I'll be very brief. So without much more say, let's continue. Alright, so for this, I've also created a presentation using an AI tool called Yama. So now I'll be linking the description so that you can go ahead and open and then you can follow along. So without much more say, let's begin. So the first tool, we can actually see that ChatGPT is actually replacing knowledge workers. This is, for example, copywriters and content writers, basic consultancy, or even customer support agents. So GPT-used systems now handle the writing, thinking, and communication tasks that once required trained professionals. Right now, you can actually go ahead and consult ChatGPT on any topic and to give you the right answer. So even designers have not been left out. AI tools actually replacing designers. For example, graphic designers, social media designers, branding assistants, and even ad creatives. Work that used to spend hours can be done very quickly using just AI. So even coders have not been left out. AI is actually replacing AI coders. For example, junior developers, basic software engineers, debugging assistants, simple app builders. We've actually seen tools like Bolt.new, Sam.dev. We have seen the Codex from OpenAI. We have seen Cloud, who are very good at providing actual codes for the developers, even better than developers who have spent hours and ages training on these things. So software engineers have only been set. Another tool, another category that has not been left out is the video production teams. We've actually seen some AI tools right now that does AI editing, video editing, has motion graphics, ad production, short-term content creators. We've seen tools like Sora come into existence. We've seen Vio, we've seen Google Omni, all coming out and actually performing more better than even humans in their roles. So voice and audio work have also been scrapped off or have been affected by AI. For example, voice actors, production jobs, podcast editors, basic debugging services. There are lots of AI voice cloning tools like Eleven Labs that actually are very perfect and precise in their tasks. The administrative work that we thought would not be replaced have actually been replaced by AI. For example, scheduling, sending emails, automating of tasks, data entry, operation coordination, and so on and so forth has also been replaced by AI. Tools like Zapier, Make, and even N8N also do this work better than even the administrators themselves. So even analysts and consultants, for example, junior analysts, marketing analysts, decision support roles, reporting teams, and so on and so forth. We've reached a point right now where you just upload a document or you upload some sheets, Google Sheets, and then AI will analyze it and give you a prompt and give you results, whatever you ask it, based on the data it has given. So this actually has affected analysts who do analyze this data, and AI is more accurate than even these humans. So the reduplications in AI is already happening. So these tools are in use today, but I'm using them. They're not coming soon. That today they're already being deployed by some industries worldwide. Jobs have been reduced, not just changed. So the gap is actually widening. This is your time to actually get into AI. So you're not competing with humans anymore. You are competing with humans using AI. So if you're interested in more AI, please consider subscribing, as this channel is dedicated just for AI. And I'll catch you in the next one.